Good morning and welcome to week 8 of the Lawn Care Diaries here in Sevenoaks. Today I'm going to be reviewing the seeding I did last week. We're going to be doing some hard surface treatment and a regular maintenance cut, and we're going to do that a little bit differently this week, and I'll go through that with you. But firstly, the review of the seeding that I did last week. We've had one lot of rain on Tuesday, it's now Thursday. I wasn't expecting anything and there is nothing to see yet. What I'm looking for is for the seed to start turning itself upright, and that's a sign that it's just about to start germinating. So we'll keep an eye on that and keep you posted on that. If you're doing that kind of patch seeding yourself at home, it's a good idea to keep it watered. When it comes to watering, it's a really difficult thing to describe how much to water, and the best way to describe how much to water something is to not let it dry out. Keep it consistent. The hard surface treatment we're going to do today, that's for weeds, moss, algae, and also we've got a cleaner in there as well. It's a really good product, 4-in-1 product that we can really attack hard surfaces and clean them up, and the weather does most of the work, so we spray it on and allow the weather to do its thing, and we'll keep showing the befores and afters of that. Ben is doing the maintenance cut today. And what I'm going to ask him to do is just take the box off today. We're not getting that much growth despite the rain we had on Tuesday, so I'm going to ask him to clip the top off and let those clippings fly. And the reason for that is because they're going to be so small that they will fall back in between the leaf on the grass and into the soil, and they will start to complete the nitrogen cycle by degrading down and going back into the soil. Onwards and upwards onto the hard surface treatment.